I was pointing the similarity of AI's algorithm, backward and forward propagation, to find wisdom or insight. That's very similar to what the Buddha has taught in its Diamond Sutra. What does it mean? It's an insight, but only the point I would wonder about is the insight of the corrupt people can be also found for the same logic, as if the hacking takes place, or the problem biologically too. When some progression is made, there's always some counter force or virus or cancer to be found. It's just a way of nature.